Good morning, student. Welcome back. Today's topic is accounting treatment of reserve and accumulated profit and loss at the time of admission of a partner. They are transferred to old partners' capital account in their old profit sharing ratio because they had been set aside out of profit earned or loss incurred in the period before the partner was admitted. As a principle, the new partner should not benefit or be at a loss.
Accumulated profit and accumulated losses are undistributed profit and loss. The reserve and accumulated profit or loss are to be taken care of whenever there occurs a reconstitution of the firm. They are transferred to partners' capital account or current account in their old profit sharing ratio. So treatment of accumulated profit is reserve account debit, profit and loss account credit balance debit, workman compensation reserve account debit, investment fluctuation reserve account debit to old partners capital or current account. Second one thing is transfer to accumulated losses. Old partners capital or current account debit to profit and loss account debit balance to deferred revenue expenditure account. If partner wants to make an adjustment entry or given one single entry for the accumulated profit and loss, then firstly they calculate the net effect. It may be positive or it may be or negative. If it will be positive, then entry will be gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. And if the effect will be negative, then entry will be sacrifice partner's capital account debit to gaining partner's capital account. So firstly, we have to calculate calculate the sum of profits and sum of losses. If profit is more than loss, then that will be positive effect, and if losses is more than the profit, then it will be negative net effect.
Let's start workman compensation reserve. It is a reserve
Created out of firm's profit to meet liability for payment of compensation to employee in case of accident is known as workman compensation reserve. At the time of change in profit sharing ratio or admission or retirement or death, or we can say that at the time of reconstitution of firm, it is set aside out of firm's profit to meet possible liability or claim on the account of compensation to employee. If it is arises, say if accident was being there, then a claim may or may not arise. It also means that claim may be equal to or less than or more than the amount of reserve at the time of reconstitution of firm. So accounting treatment under different situation. First one is when claim against WCR does not exist. Means in this situation, amount of WCR is transferred to partner's capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Firstly, what is WCR? WCR is a reserve. Reserve, it's created out of profit. Which one profit? Whom profit is there? Partner's profit is there. So, if no claim was being there, then this WCR distributed in partners because it's a partner's profit share. So, entry will be WCR account debit to partner's capital account. WCR created to partners in old profit sharing ratio because only old partner profit distributed as a reserve or as a claim as a liability. When claim of WCR exists, when claim or exists, it may be equal, it may be more than, it may be less than the amount of WCR. WCR is a reserve which are kept aside out of profit by the firm for any accident of employee or workman. So if claim is equal to the amount of WCR, so treatment will be WCR account debit to claim on WCR account. It means total amount of WCR is transferred to claim account since the amount of workman compensation reserve and workman compensation claim are same. no amount is transferred to partner's capital or current account. Now, when claim of WCR is exist and claim is less than the amount of WCR. So, treatment will be WCR account debit to claim on WCR account to partner's capital account. Accident work take place, but the amount of compensation is less than the WCR. If there is WCR is 10,000 and claim for accident is only rupees 8,000, then remaining 2,000 will distributed in old partners ratio. Next one, if claim is exist means if situation are there that the workman compensation claim will depend on the amount for claim. Claim is more than the amount of WCR. Treatment will be WCR account debit, revaluation account debit to claim on WCR. Here liability is increases, so that one liability transfer to revaluation account. Revaluation means reassessment of liabilities. And these are the losses. These losses will recover by old partners in old ratio. So entry will be, that is transfer entry, partners capital account debit to revaluation account being loss of revaluation transfer to partners in old ratio. Let's start the treatment of investment fluctuation reserve. It is also a reserve set aside out of profit to meet fall in the market value of investment. Investment is an assets and these are recorded in the book of the firm at cost price. However, its market value may be equal to or lower or higher than its book value. Investment fluctuation reserve is meet for all fall in the market value of investment at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. Fluctuation means change in the price of investment. So investment fluctuation reserve, it is a profit and it's set aside to meet the falling value or meet the value of market value or difference between market value and book value of a investment. The accounting treatment of investment fluctuation reserve at the time of change in profit sharing ratio is done in the following manner. First one, when market value of investment is equal to the book value, then treatment will be IFR will be distributed in old partners old ratio. Why? Because it is a part of a profit which one calculated in old partners. When market value of investment is more than the book value, then treatment will be IFR account debit to partners capital account. If value of assets increases, then IFR will distributed in old partners old ratio and investment increase and their value of investment is transferred to partners capital account. So partners will get the more price of investment and IFR, both things they will get. So second entry will be investment account debit to revaluation account being increased in the value of investment transferred, and revaluation account debit to partners capital account, that is the law profit. So profit will distributed in old partners old ratio. Next one thing is when market value of investment is lower than the book value, that is case 3. It means market value, maybe market value fall, investment less than the IFR, maybe market value is fall is equal to IFR, or maybe market value is fall more than the IFR. So first case is fall in the value of investment is less than IFR. So treatment of IFR is equal to IFR account debit to investment. Here we written book value minus market value. That one the fluctuation value of assets to partners capital account being market value adjusted against IFR and old partners ratio. Fall in the market value is equal to the IFR. If market value is equal to the IFR, then treatment will be investment account debit, IFR account debit to investment account, investment fluctuation reserve. Now, when fall in the market value is more than the IFR, if it is more than the IFR, then it will be loss. So it will be recovered by the revaluation account and recovered by the partner's capital account. So firstly, we have to treat as IFR account debit, revaluation account debit to investment account. Next treatment, second treatment is transfer to revaluation account, that is partner's capital or current account debit to revaluation account. It will be loss, and that will be get by the old partners in old race. Thank you. Have a nice day.